Okay, this is our 11th treatment sessions with Jax. Yeah, so here from retired police lieutenant and Florida. So here's the X-ray. Yeah, here Sydney Junior Jack Donald. Yeah, 4:30, 1945 there, and high precisions there. You are hip anterior, posterior. Yeah, here, and then surgery. Then hip joint stable, yeah. So here again. So here's the hip joint by which the ibutangan of metal, yeah. So here's Jax, yeah. Again, Jax, thank you, yeah. So this is our 11 treatment sessions. So here again for a while, Jax, yeah. Then no, it's okay. A water station, there you are, yeah. Then here, fifth water station, 1, 2, 3, and the road by which Arwin Gumitar. So here's Jax, and then we celebrate because he going home to the America, yeah, Jax, yeah? America. It's okay. Jax, forward. Where are you going, yeah? Yeah, you're done. Your shoes?